Into action you take a be and me support on 101%. It's a message Wale first. Yes. And I'll plead with Wale in group.
One of the currently trending issues in Ghana, Charles Niyama Mensah Jr. Shatta Wale, or the ex-manager, I friend say Bulldog. On a court case, I be told just some time ago. According to court's order, no, or say Shatta Wale should apologize to a Bulldog, not be a munsono. Onto your Bulldog lawyers, or do more about court. Now that money, no, is allegedly 100,000 Ghana cedis. Charles Niyama Mensah Jr. Shatta Wale the apology, no, about one thing. Name according to Bulldog, no, aka the 100,000 Ghana cedis artist so to ya at the amount on no Bulldog, no, the lawyers, no. Now on United Showbiz, no, this particular issue a popping up for discussion. Now I know that someone will somebody to get on that particular show, no, and at a social media for applauding no, for putting out constructive submission. Now I know that somebody to get and say also no there. Issue no the any year you say Fennec Archery and the Bulldog family members are some year involved out anytime be at that particular issue no ever pop up no I know that someone be say in Crofua in his mind our dream we pa Fennec Archery the family members and the Bulldog family members I'm not dream one ebe si ne police for anti and figure out in the pakwa okun Fennec Archery. So the code is still a coded case in a police for NSM. In terms of Chiremwa, Charles Niyama Mensah Jr. Shatta Wale, I beg you, do the needful. And then Crawford Chiremu say, hey, I know that I beg you, Shatta Wale. Me person me say, I hear this particular short video of another Samuel Bedu. Then someone to drag on United Showbiz Embra. You better was.
I mean, there's no bad blood here. Yeah, there's no bad blood. There will be no need for any bad blood. But say you best say ko ye juma there. There be a bedding. That's why.
Ola.
Oh, say unko say.
I don't know.
Sorry man.
Oh, Embre say we know asema esi na yenya no puma sibre so there's little to be said about it. And the home you now know asem ne fan no why baby chechim a crasse maka na sumare and a baby a chicha abuana one kosan it you know nipa na obefum no finally wa babe pacho wakuma to yem the akane say obetua legal fees which I know say mu pushi obetua so I just saw mu pushi it you know I think that it's okay so long as you nipa na wo identify when affect you so long as we yeah PC you know I think we are good to go yeah I know and mini
I know
Empress industry near woman and I say we are near woman so obinya Tawa and Akasakasa the ideal avenue so kusiki redress no air court over the period and we don't add money so be back of 2 or 5 tax no will be a problem and industry na for be it will be at a point one you careful be be now so obekasati say call into a certain transaction back be feel so we see no and that other stuff. And the most appropriate route also BR fan is to go to the law court. Now we could seek redress, and I think that's exactly what Bulldog did. Now, asemi ko benyina no the hard drink a crowd for a million and me I believe say asemi since 2014. A homo pano a Fennec nebusia any bull, and I'll start with Fennec there. Empress Fennec you could now with the only 31 and your tip platform is to say it's Fennec was one of the most influential personalities were in industry. He was like a stalwart, just like Buna. He was huge, like very influential. Apart from the behind the scenes for your industry, not on that level. It's in no ever hard dream pie. Now, me person make kai busan for you. The only time I say busan for no when say anytime I go in Indiana, probably exactly. And it's been since 2014. So almost every time biano once there's a fennec there's a mention of fennec ochi ni wo no ye hu oku it no it brings back like
pain
trauma pain any the keke count so a hard drink kakra say every time biano ni din be ba no na me sure say busafo no be di abobo say no we still na omom ko di sa atwatwa sem no omom ko di say wo no ye hu omo and blah 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 that's fennec ni nebusia. Now when you come to bones in nebusia no indeed because me you say you follow story from the beginning apart from your closeness with fennec any no you signed the idea which here for a period. Now I know say in 2014 book got them for 1 month.
Ooh.
Well, what's upon book when be problem because a story be on I think it's a Raz or one of the newspapers. Now or she sell it or so. I think it's attractive there's her story. Only be problem because they move for a month. Now I remember say UPN or he talked about how the wife phone say broom the kwala were heavily affected. At the time I mean, law courts back and forth to the time about discharging no say any the kind of negative cloud that hover over your head. You understand? So you can imagine. Usually he's acts tough and all, but that episode no cool. I don't think that he would want to wish it on even the worst enemy. Then you buy a new mark to 2012. Now yes, I can't say no. Yes, now, and I totally agree with 100% with the action we'll take here. Considering the come in 2014, and then per se, most of us say, okay, you know, on kwala, and kwala because of internet and IT need to know. Charlie, they more no. And considering the fact that you're public figures, no, yo, unbeknownst to you, no, not yet discuss so like. You can imagine the kind of trolls they will take your case through and all that stuff. So he is sitting there, no, he's going through a lot for this particular case. It is now 2022, so you resist our same way. Now we are bringing the Fennec family into the picture again and bringing Bulldog and his family into the picture again, which is so unfair. It's an action you will take and may support on 101%. Because because you want your biggest calling is to protect your offsprings, and that's what he's doing in the family, and that's what he's trying to do. It's legal fees. No, I don't see why it should drag because, like he said, courts not are my certain directive. So one follow then all drag here, and I'll plead with. While in the group, they say they should not drag it because now, like as I'm saying, the two families I see they are in contention now. It's the more you drag it, the more the Fennec family is always refreshed about how their kid died, the fact that you who kill us, and blah blah blah. And also okala, or we say or mommy or papa or uncles or siblings, and you're fair to that family. Say even at this time I didn't hear court case no. We still one and then they move factor too. It's not fair to him and his family. It's a mess. Let's kill this matter once and for all. After the apology, do the needful, pay the legal, a normal process. So who accuse you being a castle, blah blah. You pay the legal fees. Legal fees will come for the form. It's a mess. Say for the sake of Boo family and the Fennec family, let's kill this matter once and for all. Then let's leave the rest to the police because it's still our court case found. We still need to figure out who did that. Maybe you two innocent families, you know. Let them relax and sleep.
Z.
So Bulldog H1 also no there is no way. I just say in his mind, you know, or dream who say a time will come. I'll be to me Shatta Wale. Aye, Jumobim. Or sit working back with Shatta Wale there. A dear be a dream per year. I just say Nasem Kitwan ho and Ula Michael Betchum say. Or no dear. So far as I issue no Bulldog will create fan hono, or so the issue not channel. Oh no, Mudi on shed any assembly account because Nipana assembly fan hono, or so the issue not check. After say court a order Shatta, I say 100,000 Ghana cedis man no be must on sign for apology mreno. Bulldog saw the issue not child. Oh no, La Michael on the oh no issue na nya na asem inti dem pa bi no betimi account for issue no. E ho na no da samo be edu e be chire mu say asem eto a baabi a betimi di acquire court untimi go beyond court enti ni Bulldog court or any day or no another samoa be do ni dey or so ni Bulldog ya adwen 100% na emomu no o plead with Charles Nyama Mensa Junior Shatta Wale and then the lawyers and then in Crawford say they should do the needful. Na 100,000 Ghana cedis na aka no omuntu SSK no na issue no enko da ana odi nsem odi tu dwa no one ne yadwen ana se one no enya dwen na biam so no odwen se a time will come Bulldog ne Shatta ebesan ye adwuma biema na kire wadwen under the comment section na share your video no ma for so emra emehwe bi